Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some jerk chicken fried rice. So here I have some chicken breasts, and as you can see I cut it up in dices. These are all of my seasoning. I've got some jerk seasoning. I also have all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, everyday seasoning, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, and Chinese allspice, and it's 1 teaspoonful. And I also have some jerk marinate, and it's 1 spoonful. So as you can see guys, I'm just blending all of my seasoning together. Make sure everything is all combined, okay? So after I finish blend all of my seasoning together, now I'm gonna add my jerk marinade. And guys, that's from the bottle, okay? You can add as much as you like. It all depends how spicy you want it to be. So first, you're just gonna blend it all together. You can use your hands, you can use a fork. I'm using a spoon, whatever you prefer. So after I add my jerk marinade to my chicken breast, now I'm gonna add my seasoning. And as you can see guys, I don't add all of my seasoning because I'm gonna leave the remaining seasoning for my fried rice. So make sure everything is all blend, okay? Because you want your chicken breast to be nice and full of flavor. So after I add my seasoning, now I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of dark soya sauce. Then you just want to give it a good stir, okay? So that's the amount of seasoning that I have left for my fried rice. And guys, my chicken breast is all seasoning, and that's what it look like. You can always marinate your chicken breast for at least 2 hours, okay? So this is the rest of my ingredients guys. So here I have 3 cup of cooked basmati rice, and I also have 1.5 cup of mixed vegetable, and I'm also gonna add 1 spoonful of browning. You can also use dark soya sauce, and here I have at least 1 spoonful of brown sugar and some pineapple, of course. And as you can see, I cut it in pieces. So now I'm gonna brown my chicken breast. So here I have a pot on the stove, and I add at least 6 spoonful of vegetable oil. So guys, before you add your chicken breast, make sure your oil is hot, okay? And you're gonna brown it for at least 4 minutes on each side, okay? So now guys, I'm gonna turn my chicken breast, and as you can see, it is nice and browned, and that's exactly how I want it. Perfect. So my chicken breast has finished browned, and that's what it look like. Absolutely delicious. So after my chicken breast has browned, I'm just gonna take my spoon and I'm just gonna stir it all together so all that flavor will combine together. Oh yeah. So now I'm gonna add my mixed vegetable to my pot, and guys, make sure your stove is on a medium to high heat, okay? And then after, you're just gonna give it a good stir, and guys, just look at that. All that color just look amazing, I'm telling you. And I'm gonna also add 1 spoonful of jerk marinate. And guys, make sure you stir it all in, okay? Like so. I just wish you guys could just smell it right now. The smell from the jerk seasoning, guys, I'm telling you, it smells so good. And I'm gonna also add my pineapple. Then you want to give it a stir so everything will all combine together like so. So my pot needed a bit more oil, and as you can see guys, I part it off and I add at least 2 spoons of vegetable oil. Wait for it to heat up, okay? So after your oil has heated up, now you can stir it all around, okay? So now I'm gonna remove everything from the pot because I'm gonna fry my rice now, okay? Stay tuned. So I add at least 4 spoonful of vegetable oil to my pot. So now I'm adding my rice. Then you just want to spread it all out, And guys, make sure your stove is on a medium to high heat, okay? But just keep your eyes on it so your rice doesn't burn, okay? Allow your rice to fry for at least 5 minutes, okay? But just keep stir it so it doesn't stick. So after 5 minutes, now I'm gonna add my browning. Give it a stir. Make sure everything is all combined together. You don't want to see no white rice. Okay? I'm just using my remaining browning that stick. And guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of browning. Do not add a lot because you don't want it to be too dark. But I needed some, so I just add a bit, okay? And you just want to continue to stir it. Then I'm gonna add half spoonful of the jerk marinade, and I'm gonna also add my sugar. Give it a stir. Then I'm adding my remaining seasoning that's left from the beginning of the video. You just want to sprinkle it all over on your fried rice. And guys, make sure you blend it all in, okay? And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good already. Allow your rice to fry for at least 4 minutes, okay? So after 4 minutes, I'm gonna add my chicken breast, my pineapple, and my mixed vegetable. And guys, I'm telling you, it looks so good. So this is the fun part. Now you just want to blend it all together like so. It looks so good. Then you just want to leave it for at least 3 minutes and it's finished. So my jerk chicken fried rice is all finished, and that's what it look like. And guys, it looks so good. As I said, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Okay, so stay tuned. So now I'm just plating up my jerk chicken fried rice. And guys, please share this video to your family and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can receive more videos like these. Okay? So I finished plating up my jerk chicken fried rice. So now I'm just garnishing it with some spring onions. Please subscribe, like, comment for many other videos. Until next time, bye, and thank you all so much for watching. Bye.